Hi folks, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I've wanted a plasma cutter for a little while for doing the restorations. You know, some of the stuff that we do, sort of getting rid of sort of large sections of panels, you know, sometimes it can be a pain in the arse using a grinder holding it. So decided to buy myself a plasma cutter. This one was 140 quid off of Amazon. I couldn't justify spending like stupid amounts of money because I don't cut thick steel, you know, I don't need anything special. So yeah, I decided to buy this one. So as you can see, I've opened the box just to make sure everything was in it, but I haven't actually unpacked it. So that's what we're going to do now. Instructions, pressure regulator, well that inspires confidence, Euro plug. Torch, and the flame. To be fair, it's actually got everything with it. We've got some consumables here, some PTFE with some Jubilees, we've got the pipe, earth clamp, that's got stupid Euro plug, we'll swap that out straight away, and a torch. So let's first impressions, it's definitely cheaply made. But again, you know, like I said, I don't need anything special. I'm not doing neat cuts or anything else. You know, it's just hacking large chunks of car apart. So it should do what I need to do. I've got it all put together, and I have to say, I'm actually quite impressed with some of the bits. You know, we've got a decent quality DINS connector there. You know, the earth clamp is very good. You know, it's a decent one. The earth's not that long, you know, but again, I'm not too worried about it. It's just going to go on to the bench. But the actual lance itself is very long. You know, it's got a decent sheath in it. The connectors are good. As I say, it has got a bag full of extra consumables, new tips and stuff. The regulator, you know, just went straight on the back, no problem at all. You have to do a bit of pipe work here. It goes down and then put that in. It has got enough pipe to come out for the airline. I've just decided to put the connector straight in there. Eventually I'll probably put a little elbow on so it comes out the back, opposed to sort of at that angle at the minute. Got rid of the Euro plug and put a normal plug on it. One thing I will say is this is thick cable, so you need a decent plug for it. And again, this lead is quite short as well, but again, I'm not that worried about it. So I'm going to grab some scrap metal and clamp it to the bench and start cutting some things. Have a look. Got a couple of scrap bits in there, nothing special, and I'm not going to clean them up either. We've got some 0.8mm there, which is standard sort of car body stuff. We've got 1.6 there, which is sort of normal chassis stuff, up to 2mm normally, and then I've got some 3mm here. As you can see, nothing's been cleaned up. We're just going to go for it, see how it is. I'm not sure what amperage or pressure we're supposed to be at. I did do a quick Google search. Roughly, from what I've just quickly read, you know, you want anywhere between 55 and 75 psi. So I've set this at 50. Because we're cutting a lot smaller, and then the amperage is set all the way low. So I did notice, I did just turn this on, make sure it works. The fan is very noisy, so it's off at the minute, because I'm not sure how the microphone's going to pick it up when we do this. So yeah, we'll get this clamped to the bench, we'll just go for it. I've got the earth strap down here, you know, straight onto the actual bench, so that should be fine there, nice and earthed out. As you can hear, the fan is quite loud. I don't know if you can hear it properly, hopefully you can. The dial, I'm assuming this is an amperage, so we're at 17 amps at the minute. That seems to be nice and smooth, it's not notchy or anything. So it says it goes up to 50, that says it's supposed to be a fault line. I'm going to leave it on the lowest setting and then we'll just sort of creep up on it and see how we go. You know what, that's actually quite neat. I'm just going to go a little bit more on that. That's not too bad, that was quite a nice cut. Obviously I'm using a welding helmet so I couldn't quite see much, but I don't know whether you can, I'll get a picture. That's not too bad, that's a relatively clean cut. I mean that was a clean piece of metal, so let's try it with this piece. That's all painted and everything else, let's see what that does. Turn that right down this time. Straight through. Definitely easy without the helmet. Yeah, it's nice. Relatively clean cut. Yeah. Let's try the wood one. I'll probably take this up to about 20 amps. See what that does. That's done through 3mm quite nicely, so I'm happy with that. I've got a bit of 5mm, see what you do with 5mm. As you can see, it does cut it, the 5mm. I would say 5mm is probably about its limit. You know, that's not very neat, but if you need to just make a bracket and you're quite happy to sort of clean it up a little bit, you know, that's going to be a lot quicker than using a grinder. But it's not very neat. So yeah, this is the 5mm I've literally just cut. It's still a bit hot. You know, it's quite thick. You know, it's not the neatest of cuts. But it's not bad, it did cut it. You know, that will clean up. I probably won't go any thicker, you know, we're pretty much maxed out there. And I did have it on 70 psi as well. You know, you might be able to get a little bit more, tweaking it a bit better. That was the 3mm, you know, that's not a bad cut, you know, it's relatively straight. You know, you just got the slag on the back edge, but that's, you know, it's gone through quite nicely, not quite cleanly. You know, so up to about 3mm, maybe 4mm probably. I haven't got any 4mm to test. So that was nice. You know, here was sort of the first cut on the thin bit, which we did. You know, it's nice and clean all the way through. You know, obviously it didn't go through. That's probably just me. I didn't have the pressure high enough. Yeah, it's a matter of tweaking, finding your balance. And then yeah, this was the bit that I didn't even clean up. It was part of an old wing that I was testing out with the bead roller. As you can see, it's got paint on it. You know, it's got primer on it. You know, and then this bit that I cut it off of. You know, no cleaning at all. Just clamped that straight down. So there we have it. You know, I'm quite happy with this little machine. It's going to be a little bit trial and error. I've not really used one of these before, so sort of dialing it in with the amperage and the pressures. You know, it's going to be a work in progress, but it should save me a lot of time with doing the restorations. You know, just when I done the inner seal the other day, you know, trying to get the grinder into all the little nooks and crannies and then get it out, it's just a pain in the ass. You know, so with this, I should be able to get most of the panel work out of the way. So then all I've got to do is clean up with the grinder and the hand tools. I'll fully recommend this. I'll put a link in the description for you. So if you want to go get it, you can do. So that's about it. You know, if you like this video and you like sort of the unboxing and you want to see me do anything else, you know, give me a thumbs up to sort of let me know. Drop a comment. You know, if there's anything specific you want to see. You know, if I can afford it, I'll get it and I'll do a review for you. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and when you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified of all the new videos that I'm doing. Have a look on Patreon. You know, for a small fee a month, you know, all my videos go up early there, and it really does help me out. You know, sort of keep me going, creating better content for yourself. Don't forget to follow me on social media. You know, on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You know, there's stuff that I don't film, but I always put it up there. You know, pretty much every day I'll post. So go check that out. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.